Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can dropship on Ecwid, so let's get right into it. Now, to dropship on Ecwid, it's relatively simple. You can use any of the many integrations which are available on the app market, or you can yourself set up everything manually. Now, to set up the integrations, just go into apps and go into app market once you're on your dashboard. And from here, you just need to search for the appropriate dropshipping apps. So for example, if I just type in dropshipping and search for that, as you can see, I'll get a couple of different, many different apps which might fit the description. As you can see, you can use Amazon, you can use SUP, you can use Scale Order, you can use DSers, you can use Spocket, Printful, Wholesale 2B, Dropery, etc. Some of these might cost, some of these are free, such as SUP dropshipping. Wholesale 2B costs, for example, $38 USD per month, and others are built externally. And Printful has a custom option which you can use. However, I would not do these myself because I'm not really sure how to do them, and some of them cost way too much. Now, alternatively, you can just go onto sites like Temu or on AliExpress or Alibaba and find any products you might want and then add them manually. Just click here in your catalog, go to products and click add new product, set up the images, set up the name, as well as the information, the description as well. Make sure you copy them all over from the product that you are referencing. Then type in the pricing, set up the availability, and then you can go into attributes, options, files, shipping and pickup, taxes, SEO related products, and buy now. Set everything up to however it fits you best, then save that product, and that should be it. If I go back into products, as you'll see, I have a couple of different test products available. However, this is the one that I've added now, and then you can set up your website and everything else for your storefront, and you should be good to go. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.